What's the deal with this ratio? Is it that good? There are some tricks to it. Stick around and you'll find out. Let's have a look at an example. Right here we are looking at an older movie that I'm editing in Premiere Pro. This is a normal YouTube video, it's an horizontal view, so everything looks decent. I'm gonna try to make a short video out of it. All we have to do in my case is open sequence settings, and right here I'm gonna have to change the frame to a short resolution. In this case it's gonna be 1080 by 1920. So 1920. Okay, yes, I want to change it. Look at the video now. Even if in theory I can shoot the video in 4K, and if I switch it to HD vertical shot, the image will still fit. A lot of the image is going out of frame. Shooting in 5K resolution is way more flexible and it will allow me to play a little bit with the video. Let me show you what I mean by that. Right now, if I go on the video clip, effects controls, and now we have the scale, which in my case right now it's 100%. I'm gonna zoom this thing out. Let's go to 90%. Ooh, I can suddenly see more from this video. Let's go a little bit lower. 80%. I see more, even more, and look at the image. I don't have any black lines. I still have a lot of space to film or to move around. I can even go a little bit lower, so 70%. At 70%, my image is still in focus. I can move left, right. See how far my actual screen image is? I can scroll down or up. I can play a lot with this short video to make sure that everything fits the screen that I'm desiring. Let's go even further, 60%. At 60%, I can see the entire table that I'm working on, and I still have that flexibility to play with the video. It's not only about left and right, but in some cases I'm gonna have the image way out of focus, so I maybe want to move it up or push it way down, because on shorts, you know, you have this menu which is in the lower part of the section, and if I want to move all this writing in the upper part, I need to have the option to fill the blanks. If you have an image that is low resolution and you have to push the image down or another direction way too much, you're gonna get this. These are black lines because there is absolutely no information that can cover the video. I played also in 4K, try to see which are the better solutions. In the end, filming in 5K with 8x7, it was the best for me. It allowed me to have way more options when reframing a video for YouTube Shorts. This was a short explanation on how a 5K 8x7 ratio can help you achieve the best results. You can actually really shoot only once and use the video for both shorts and long video format. I think it's the best version out there. This is not, of course, related to the GoPro, since the 8x7 it's an equivalent for the full frame. So any camera that you use and is able to film in this specific format or in full frame will be able to provide you with all these facilities. As you can see, if used properly, the 8x7 aspect ratio is a very powerful and flexible tool. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.